नमस्ते जीवियंस। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जीवियन प्रीति सिंह, फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol preparation of turpentine liniment. Belongs to the subject pharmaceutics practical for the B Pharm first semester. So, firstly, we will discuss about the to prepare and dispense 50 ml of turpentine. Composition: camphor 2.50 gram, soft soap 3.75, and turpentine oil 32.50 ml, and distilled water 50.00 ml. So the which kind of apparatus used in this practical? Firstly, beaker 250 ml and measuring cylinder 10 ml and also 50 ml, spatula and glass rod. So what is the theoretical part of the turpentine liniment? Turpentine liniment is a natural product derived from the pinny tree and having liniment property. In Ayurvedic industry, this product is majorly used in making products like pain, balm, ointment, rub, muscular relief, and oil, etc. Turpentine is thought to be only mildly toxic when used according to manufacturer's recommendation. It can pass through the skin. Turpentine exposure causes eye irritation, headache, dizziness, and vomiting. Breathing or swallowing also cause kidney and bladder irritation. So what is the preparation of the turpentine liniment? 3.75 gram of soft soap is weighed and transferred to a mortar and gradually mixed with about 5 ml of distilled water with constant trituration to get a cream like consistency. 2.5 gram of camphor is weighed and transferred to a measuring cylinder containing 32.5 ml of turpentine oil. Camphor is dissolved by the stirring. Camphorated turpentine oil is added in drops to the mortar with the thorough lavigation till whole of camphorated turpentine oil is added. The contents are transferred to a measuring cylinder and the required volume is made up by adding subsequent washing of a mortar and pestle with distilled water. The liniment is thoroughly mixed. The final product is then transferred to a dispensing bottle and secured with a thread and dispensed in the usual pharmaceutical manner. Usual pharmaceutical manner. So the camphorated turpentine oil is added in drop to the mortar with thorough lavigation till whole of the camphorated turpentine oil is added. The contents are transferred to the measuring cylinder and the required volume is made up by adding subsequent washing of a mortar and pestle with distilled water. The liniment is thoroughly mixed. So this is the liniment concept. So what is the use of the liniment? Firstly, we discuss the turpentine liniment is a skin lotion. In a lotion manufactured by some other pharmaceutical industries, it is commonly used for the diagnosis or treatment of eardrop, cough, cold, and sores. It has some side effects such as coughing, brain damage, and coma, bleeding in the lungs. So, what is the particular requirement of the turpentine? What is the turpentine made up? So turpentine oil is made up from the resin of the certain neat trees and having liniment property. So the what is the role of liniment in pharmacy? Liniment in the pharmaceutical industry. Liniment is liquid what you rub into the skin in order to reduce pain or relieves stiffness. Liniment can be rubbed into the skin to relieve itches. Be rubbed into the skin to relieve itches from the arthritis and stiffness in muscle. A liniment is usually in the form of a thin liquid applied to the skin. Uh, so the which is better, turpentine or thinner? So the basic differences between the thinner and turpentine is that the thinner is a liquid mostly used for the thinning the consistency of another liquid, while turpentine is a kind of volatile essential oil extracted from the pine trees, wood, wood by steam distillation, used as a solvent and paint thinner. So overall, the complete practical protocol for this session. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.